Hello, welcome to Productronica 2017. Here with me at the EPP booth is Thorsten Teutsch, CEO with PacTech. Could you describe in a few sentences what your company is doing and which technologies you are offering?
Yes, so PacTech is working in the field of advanced packaging. We have three business units. One is distributing chemistry, and the core units are basically, one is an equipment business unit which manufactures equipment for advanced packaging. Mainly we are known for solder jetting machines, so we're using a laser to heat solder balls and then jet them out to make connections. Either bump connections or 3D interconnections. The other business unit is focusing on subcon services, so we're offering wafer bumping, low-cost wafer bumping services, and now are venturing also a little bit in complete packaging solutions for the electronics industry.
What news are you announcing at Productronica 2017?
So for the equipment business unit, we have our newest manufacturing machine for high volume manufacturing for camera modules. So here we're using our solder jetting technology to connect the VCN shielding of a camera module to the housing. And this is a new technology which is just replacing since maybe a year or two conventional technologies like soldering or wire soldering. And here we have now machines in the field which can do a very high UPH for very complex camera modules. For example, we can run a 2-pin camera module with a UPH of 4000 or a 16-pin double-sided or 3-sided camera module with a UPH of 1300, which is here we are the first in the field which can offer such high manufacturing throughput at, of course, high yields.
Regarding your equipment technologies, where do you see future markets or applications?
I see it mainly in the component assembly and component soldering. We see, for example, we are long-term supplier for the hard disk drive industry, which is of course an industry which is not has a very promising future as a magnetic storage, but here we are handling 40 micrometer small solder spheres to make really very small micro contacts. And so far the industry is, by the way, not dead, and it's ordering machines from us and continues with the server and the cloud business to still innovate. But we are also in the more SMT type of manufacturing. Here we are replacing, like I said before, conventional soldering methods. And as the components getting smaller and the integration in thickness and in size gets smaller and smaller, then we will get more and more customers coming to our automation concepts of laser soldering. So basically not so much bumping, it's more 3D soldering. That means 3D interconnections of modules, module assembly. If you want to hear a couple of applications, camera module we are in at the moment. Facial recognition sensors is a future application. We see also for microphones and speakers, coil soldering. All of this getting smaller and smaller and miniaturization, so they need new technologies to get the solder at this very, very small interconnections. And our technology is also fluxless, so optical components, for example, will also like this technology because it's not contaminating the optical device.
The same question, future markets and applications regarding your wafer level packaging subcon activities?
So we have also added in this business unit new technology. So we are presenting at this show our new line for electroplating. This is state-of-the-art technology, so nothing new in the market. We are doing now electroplating of copper pillars and copper RDL. Redistribution. With this technology we are combining now with our low-cost electro-less nickel plating. and so we can offer new kind of interconnection and bump concepts. But the ultimate goal is to go more into a package development. So our goals are to work more in the field of fan-out packaging, but also glass interposer. So these are the areas we are now developing new process technologies.
Okay, thank you for this interview. Thank you very much.